Assalamu alaikum, good morning dear PGs. Hope you are having a good day. This is your teacher Ebadut Ghouri and today we're going to talk about numbers. Let's start the lesson with the name of Allah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Let's take a closer look to the screen. Okay, can you tell me what do you look at the screen? What do you find out on the screen? Okay, take your time and figure out the pictures on the screen. What is this? This is a sun. What is this? This is a sun. How many suns are there on the picture, on the whole board? One. How many suns are there? One. Okay, let's move to the next picture. How many boys are there on the board? How many boys? Can you count? Yes. One. How many boys are there? Only a one boy. Okay. Next, how many houses are there on the picture? One. How many houses are there? One. Repeat after me. One house. Okay. Now there's a quick quiz. Let's read the question and you're going to answer yourself. Okay. Now look at the pictures. Okay, take a closer look. There is a monkey, there is a nose, there is a bird and there is a hand holding a pencil. Okay, so the question will be related to these pictures. First question, how many nose do you have see on the board? How many nose do you have actually? Okay, count on your face. How many nose do we have? One. How many nose do we have? One nose. Okay, so the answer is 1. Next, how many tails a monkey has? Can anybody tell how many tails does this a monkey have? Okay, one tail. How many tail? One tail. Okay, how many pencils you are holding right now? Right now, if you are not holding any pencil, just look at my pen. How many pens I am holding right now? One pen. How many pens? One pen. Okay, how many birds do you see? On the board, how many birds do you see? I can only see one bird. How many birds? One bird. So, what we are learning today? We are learning about number 1. Okay, so this is number 1 and what is the formation of number 1? Slant, go up, come down as straight as possible. Okay, so let's sing an oral poem about numbers. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let it go again. Why did you let it go? Because it bit my finger so. Which finger did it bite? This little finger on my right. This little finger on my right. Okay, you need to practice this poem to get the idea of oral counting. Okay, 1 till 10. Okay, this is the activity time. यहाँ पर हमारे पास क्या है? यहाँ पर हमारे पास one tree है. How many trees are there? One tree. So what we're going to do? We're going to make one with the Play-Doh. What we're going to do? We're going to make one with the Play-Doh. I have a Play-Doh with me. So we're going to rub it. और अगर हम इसको थोड़ा सा ऊपर से बेंड कर दें तो वो हमारे पास वन की शेप में आ जाएगा. Right? Okay, so there is number 1. I have made number 1 with the Play-Doh. Why? Because there is only one tree on it. और इसके अलावा हम क्या बना सकते हैं? We can also make ball out of it. Only one ball. How many balls? One ball with the Play-Doh. बच्चों को अच्छा लगता है Play-Doh के साथ खेलना, so you can give the Play-Doh to them and they can make things with it. Okay, one ball. Thank you. Okay, so there is a story about number 1. What the story is about? It's a bright sunny day. What type of the day it was? Bright sunny day. How bright sunny day? Because there is a one sun in the picture. Tina has one big house. she decided to go out. There is one pretty park. This is the one pretty park near her house. Honk honk. One red car passed by the Tina. क्या हुआ कि एक रेड कार जो थी टीना के पास से गुजरी. Splash, splash. Tina saw a puddle and jumped in it. क्या हुआ कि रास्ते में पार्क में जाते हुए टीना ने क्या देखा? एक पानी का पडल देखा. ठीक है? And what she did? She jumped into it. Tina crossed one rusty gate. और टीना ने क्या क्रॉस किया? एक दरवाज़ा. क्या क्रॉस किया? एक दरवाज़ा. One rusty gate. And then what she did? She saw one swing and one slide in the park. उसने क्या क्या देखा पार्क में? She saw one swing and one slide. I hope you guys go to the park as well. She looked up and saw one sun in the sky. कितने suns थे sky में? आप खुद भी figure out कर सकते हैं. Whenever you go out in the daylight, look up the sky and what will you see? You will see one big sun. She came back home after enjoying her day out. Okay, now come to the picture. Can you see Tina, one girl, one butterfly and one sun and one park? Okay, so what is it? Another bright sunny sun. Okay, so this is the formation of number 1. How? Slant upwards, straight down. All right, slant upward, straight down. There are more one given on the screen. Slant upward, straight down. If you just अपनी उंगली लें और आपके स्क्रीन के ऊपर जितने भी वन नज़र आ रहे हैं उनको ट्रेस करते जाएं so that you can get the idea कि वन को बनाना कैसे है. ठीक है? I am doing it with the pen. Slant upwards, come down straight. Slant upwards, come down straight. Slant upwards, come down straight. Okay, so this is number 1. What is this number? This is number 1. Thank you, PGs. This is all for now. Catch you up soon. Bye bye.